Councilman Bobby Wilson tells me right now council doesn't really know anything about the vehicles that the city of Pittsburgh has, how many there are, what condition they're in, or how long it takes them to be repaired. You can see the state of some of the vehicles right here.
I mean, it's just unacceptable for ambulances to have to switch out during a call, for our fire trucks to be in the shop for so long because they're so old. This is becoming an ongoing issue that ultimately is affecting public safety, and we need to correct that.
The legislation would require the fleet equipment manager, who's the person who handles all the vehicles for the city, to write a report. Now, that report would include a full inventory of the fleet, annual maintenance and repair costs for the vehicles, and recommendations for vehicle replacement, right-sizing the fleet, and then also fuel savings. It also would include cost projections for the next 3 fiscal years. Wilson says the whole point of this: stop wasting taxpayer money.
Council was unaware of how much the fleet is in total disrepair. I mean, every year we come, time for plowing the streets, and we're all surprised how many plows are out of commission. This should not put council in the dark anymore and really shed the light on how we actually solve this problem.
Wilson says council is discussing this legislation tomorrow, and he hopes they can get it fully passed before council recess in August. That way they can get the report before budget time this fall. Covering Allegheny County in Pittsburgh's Bluff neighborhood, I'm Felicity Taylor, Pittsburgh's Action News 4.